Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you the Fleece Cheetah for the 2013 to 2018 Dodge 6.7 Cummins. So we're redoing this video, guys, to show you the Fleece Cheetah for the 13 to 18 Dodges. We've had some component changes in this turbo in the last little bit here, so we wanted to highlight those and just highlight all of the features of the Fleece Cheetah. So we all know the Fleece Cheetah here at Thoroughbred Diesel. This is our #1 selling drop-in turbocharger that we offer. Wildly popular. There's hundreds of thousands of them out there on the roads right now. So the 13 to 18 Dodges, the 2500 all the way to the 5500 in the Dodge frames with the 6.7 Cummins in them, this is your drop-in performance upgrade charger offered from Fleece Performance. Now, the Fleece Cheetah for this truck comes with the 63 milled compressor wheel. It also comes with the high flow inconel turbine wheel. As far as a drop-in performance turbo goes, this pairs very well with emissions on tuning. You can use this as a drop-in charger for a bone stock truck. You will have a little bit of a drivability issue there. It's going to be a little bit slower to spool up, but man, when you've got emissions on tuning with this charger, it absolutely runs like a scalded dog. Now, this charger is capable of supporting, with the correct modifications to your truck, it would be capable of supporting up to 700 horsepower out of this charger frame. So what do you get when you buy the Fleece Cheetah for your 13 to 18 Dodge? You're going to get your little fleece goodie bag that comes with it. It's going to come with a new koozie for your adult or just everyday drinking beverages. Inside of the koozie, you're going to get another pretty cool fleece sticker. You're going to get a thank you card and a installation instruction QR code. Then you're going to get your return form that comes in it, giving you instructions on what to do with your core. There is a core on this turbocharger. And then you get a copy of the instructions, a printed copy of the instructions. And then inside of this kit, you get all new studs, all new nuts, the turbo foot gasket at the manifold, and then the new coolant seals, and then the oil drain gasket. Speaking of oil drains, if you are installing this, we definitely suggest that you check out the flexible Fleece turbo oil drain that they just came out with. Makes this installation super easy. This turbo also comes with a brand new Holset actuator. The brand new actuator is going to be coupled with the remanufactured turbocharger that is done by Fleece, of course. This turbo features a 2-year warranty. And again, if you are looking for performance and you're looking to do it as a drop-in turbocharger to where you don't sacrifice your exhaust brake, your warm-up cycle, big-time drivability losses just because of a huge charger drop-in, this is definitely the one for you. If you want a drop-in and go charger, the Fleece Cheetah for your 13 to 18 Dodge is definitely the one for you. So if you have any questions about Fleece Cheetahs, if you have any questions about your Dodge truck, or you have any questions about anything, just give us a call at Thoroughbred Diesel, and thanks for watching.